Hi everyone, I am Lionel and I'm a second year student at Molecular Biology and Genetics Department in Bilkent University. Today I'm going to talk about my Physics 102 lab final project, and the name of my project is Equivalent Resistance in Series and Parallel Circuits. The aim of this experiment was to examine the behavior of resistors in series, parallel, and in combination circuits and include resistance measurements and use Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's law. So the main purpose of this experiment was to compare the theoretical values found by Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's law to the real-life measured values by a multimeter. The equipment of this experiment are 3 resistors, a multimeter, DC power supply, and multiple crocodile wires. As you can see in the photo, I connected the 3 resistors in series and measured the current and equivalent resistance and compared them to the theoretical values obtained by Ohm's law. Then for the second part, I connected the same 3 resistors under the same voltage in parallels. The voltage value was 10 volts. Then I measured the equivalent resistance and the current with a multimeter and then also calculated the theoretical values. In this part, I also used Kirchhoff's law to find and verify the branch currents. Then for the last part of the experiment, I connected 2 resistors with values 100 and 150 in parallels and connected the 10 ohm resistor in series to these parallel circuit. Then I calculated the equivalent resistance and compared the theoretical and measured values one last time. These are the collected data. I collected all the data in 3 different tables and plotted 3 different graphs. 2 of these graphs were about theoretical versus measured values of resistance, and the last graph were about also the theoretical and measured values of currents in both 3 circuits. After all these calculations and plots, I calculated the percentage error of the parts. In conclusion, I obtained around 45% error in nearly every part of the experiment, and this error might be due to the accuracy of the multimeter and the internal resistance issues of the resistors and loose wires. But overall, the data supported the Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's law.